So friends, in the previous video we have covered this w3 school clone, this navbar. Let me show you how. When I was reduce this width of this screen, see, this will be responsive also, and here when I was reduced much more, see, everything will be display. And when I was click this menu and also open the menu also like in the original one. Let me here, I want to also show you. When I was click here, see, this types of a tutorial link will be open. Let me create this in this video. Let's go on the our VS Code editor first. Here I was already created this menu. Here you can see. Now I want to add event sum. When I was clicking in this menu, then let me just reduce this. When I was clicking here, then here open the one box. When I again clicking, then this will be not to be display. For that, let me just go on the JavaScript. Let me create here one file, more script file. I give the script.js. Yeah, now I want to add this script file in HTML file. Go on the your HTML in the body section in the bottom, and in the about the body tag, here just use the script tag and give the src a name of. Here in the src give the path of the script js file. Here I give the script.js, and here close this tag. Now this file is added here, and let me just here create a one div tag and give the name of this will be menu container. And let me just give the, I was somewhere maybe given this class name. Let me just use menu btn. Okay, not given. Here I give the mobile menu container, and let me just give this some background color for the visibility and height also. Let me just copy this class name first and go on the your css file in the bottom section. Let me just come here. About this media query I make here, and let me just go on the bottom section. We will refactor after the course. This full website we develop, don't worry. Now here I commented, and here I give the, first of all we give the some height of this. Let me just check here what is the height. Let me reduce this, and here you can see this height will be approximately this content will be, and here you can see this one. When I reduce, this height will be approximately here, and for that we can give the approximately height will be approximately 500. Let me, and give the background color will be, I want to give the same background color. For that I want to, let me just check 4F, and come in our section, refresh this page. Let me see. Okay, this background color is not so. Let me give the red. Yeah, now see here this color will show. For that this color I want to the color code. Let me just go again, and here, and let me just little bit up and select this arrow and click here anywhere, because I want to this background color, that's why. And we found this, just copy this background color and come your css file. In the top section we add a one more variable. Here I can add bs light white, or we can give the neo white, and after that here just paste this color code name. Let me just copy this variable name and use this variable name where you want. Here in the menu container, here I want to give the where, after that paste the this variable name. Let me just see in our section. Here you can see this container will be has 500, but here let me show you, it has here 440 445 width, and here I want to give the same 448 56, sorry. Yeah, now see here and here, this is approximately same. Inside that I want to add this all this menu, and here you can see when I was increase the width, here let me show you, it will be display when the this height will be approximately this width will be, sorry, this width will be approximately 850. Let me just increase above 850. Now here see this menu will be gone. For that I want to display only 850. For that we can use the here media query, giving the media and all, and after that I give the minimum width will be approximately 850 pixel. After that here give the this, copy this class name and come here, paste this, and inside that I give the display none, and here I give the display block. Let me just show you in our section when I was increase the width of this. Let me see here, see this will be gone and come like this. Now I want to insert the content, this all this tutorial name, and let me just click any of this. Here you can see this menu button will be display. Let me reduce much more. Here this, see this all this tutorial will display here, but in this video only we created this all this title, this heading one, like here when I was click here you can see this all this menu will be display. And for that I can do one thing, just make all this here and come in the Java HTML file. Here I give the one unordered list. After inside that I use the anchor tag and giving the h reference. Somewhere I don't want to use the anchor tag, but don't worry, we will not giving any link of this. For that first of all in the tutorial section we want to this same in the above section. Let me just go up little bit. Here you can see we have a tutorial, reference and exercise, get certificate, upgrade, space. Let me just copy all this and change according to our requirement. Just copy this tutorial and come in the this mobile menu, and inside that paste this, and let me just see in our section, just close this and here come refresh this page. Why these are not display? Okay, when I was refresh, let me just see in our section why these are okay. All this content will be gone where? Okay, this will be gone here but not showing. Let me just copy the here come, and here I change the first of all color will be red. Now let me just see. Let me just change something. Here I give the mobile view container. Inside that we have a unordered list. Here I give the display flags. After that we change this in the form of a display flags. Flags direction will be column, and let me just see why these are not happening. I want to also give the position relative and j index we give the 50. Let me just see. All these are, and color will be red. I was giving a minus. Okay, this unorderly has a single line. We also give the in unorderly list height will be 100%. And now, okay, and this unorderly by default has a padding. Let me just give it 0. Okay, now it's cover full its screen. Here I want to change this. Okay, because I was given this class name will be, this id name will be display when the height width of this screen will be above the 800. That's why this all things are not display. Let me just change something here. I want to first of all change the this all div tag into anchor tag. Let me just change this, and here I want to remove the first this id name, and let me just delete this first, and after here also, and here also, and this one also. Now see here all these are display now. Now I want to do one thing. I want to all this content will be in the center. For that, here in the JavaScript we already added this menu btn, and in the menu btn after that we add one more things. Let me just select pressing the control D, and all this class name will be automatic selected. Here I want to add one more uh, mobile menu, and now I want to copy this, come in the style.css in the above here. I can paste this, and here I want to give the color will be the black color. Let me just give same color, and text so I want to remove this underline. For that we can do the text decoration and none. Now underline will be gone. On this font size, increase this font size approximately 18 pixel, or you can give the 20, 30, not a 30 is good, 25. Yeah, now this 25 is good. Now I want to all this content will be come in the center like here, and all these tags will be not be bold. You can give the, let me just give also bold. Font weight will be approximately 550. Let me just see, all these are bold, and here I want to add more tutorial. Okay, added reference, added get a certificate, and get a certificate I was not added. Let me just add this here. About the video I want to add just get certificate, and here I want to also change this get certified, get certified, sorry, get certified. After that I want to add one more. Let me just copy this again and paste here again, or we can directly copy from the above section, but I add here also. And upgrade, let me just give this, change this, upgrade, and here I want to also change the upgrade and here I want to remove this hashtag, and in between I want to give the space, and after that I want to add one more. Let me just see what is the name of this space. Let me just add this space, and here I want to also give the space and video, and last option is our, let me just give this is a shop, this yes is a capital, and this link will be shop. And let me see in the only starting third this icon will be available, this menu icon, and rest of the not I want to remove. About 3 tutorial reference exercise, and I want to remove here. Let me delete this, and also in the grade 1 only, and in the space. Now let me see in our section all these are coming, but I want to all this in the center. For that come in the CSS file. Here I was giving the unordered list, and let me just give the all the content will be center, justify content will be center, and alignment item also center. Now see all the content will be coming in the center. Now here I want to give the little bit space, here this tutorial and shop, we can give the justify content will be changed in the form of a uh, space between. Let me just show you in here also. Here you can see all this will be this tutorial and reference, all this is automatically space is coming. Now in the bottom section I want to give space, like here by default has some space. For that we can give the padding from the bottom side is approximately 10 pixel. Let me just show you in our section. I was given the okay 10 pixel is not good, 20. Now here you can see 20 or 30. Yeah, now little bit space is coming. And in the above section we add this close this navigation. When I was click here, see this navbar will be closed, and here also when this here toggle form in the form of a toggle. First of all we add this close navigation here in the top section. For that come here, and let me just go on the HTML file. In the unordered list we use this, above this we create another btn. We give the we first of all give class name, and this is a mobile menu close, and close btn. I give the and inside that I give the btn. Let me just see here you can see we have this cross mark. Let me just check somewhere, and go on the your and open the new tab and open the font awesome. I use the some icon, sorry, font awesome, and after that here type close, and here or we can here you can see this types of close icon will be display. In the previous starting video I added this font awesome library in the HTML in the header section. You here I show you, here you can see I added the font awesome library. That's why I only directly use the class name. I just copy this class and add anywhere of the HTML file where I want to put this. Let me just add it here, and let me just check here this X will be display. Now only I want to copy this mobile menu close btn. Just copy this, come in the style sheet, and here I want to give the let me in the above one, no, okay, I give the margin from the left side will be auto. Let me just see. And this margin width will be 100 pixel. Why this icon will be not be gone? Let me just add a map and mobile menu, close btn. Inside that I have a I tag, and this margin will be here. Why these are not happening? In the parent class I was given the display flags. No, not given. Then why these are not happening? We can give one more have. Let me just give the this where is mobile btn, give the display flags and justify content flags end. Let me just show. Yeah, this icon will come in the left side as here you can see. And yeah, now this is okay for that. And here I want to remove this, and for the making I want to give the font size will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me just check in our section. Yeah, now I want to give this in the little bit middle one, and here I give the padding will be approximately 50 pixel or 20 pixel. And yeah, and this is okay for now. No, this is 20 pixel. Let me give the 10 pixel, and here also. And remove this border. Let me just come here. Here I want to give the border none. Now why this border is not gone? Border none. Let me just check here. Background color red. Okay, inside the mobile menu close btn we have a button. Let me just go here also. In the HTML file here you can see in the mobile menu close btn we have a button. By default button has its own margin and all this border. Let me remove first this. Here I give the mobile menu close btn, and inside that we have a button. Let me just give the border will be none. And here let's see here in the our section this will become, and this background color will be displayed. For that we can give the background color will be transparent according to its parent. And now, and this content will not be cover like here where I was giving the some height. Let me just see. Here I was giving the height. Let me just remove this first. Now let's check again. Now here you can see all these are collapsed automatically, but we can give this. Let me just expand this approximately 550. Okay, not 550, little bit more, 70. And this all content will go outside the box. We can give here box sizing border box. Now let me just see again. Okay, and this will be 650. We give here. Let me just remove the first height. We can add in the unorder list, and just come here. We have this inside the unorderly we have anchor tag. Let me just come style, and where is here and just copy this mobile menu container and come here. Okay, I was not copy. Let's copy first and paste here a, and here I want to give padding from the top, and top I give the approximately 10 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, see here automatically space is created. If you want to give the bottom side, then also okay, I give the from the bottom. Yeah, let me give the 15 pixel or 20. Yeah, now see all these are menu are automatically adjusted, and this width will be automatically gone. And little bit I think I want to increase the this font, as here you can see. Let me just increase this. In this I tag I have a this, I give the 20 22. Yeah, now see we have created this menu, but when I was click this menu will not be closed. For that we can do, here I was created a JavaScript file, and in the HTML I want to access this close menu, and this close, when I was click here this cross mark, it will be closed, and this menu also. For that I want to first of all access this menu. For that, come in the top section. Let me just find where is menu. Here here I found this, and here I want to add here I was added the menu btn mobile. Just copy this first and come in the JavaScript file here, and here I just comment this section will be mobile btn, and here I create a one variable and giving this will be mobile, and let me just give btn, and this will be in the mobile element. After that give the document dot get element by id. I give the get element by id, and inside that paste this id name, and now here I want to let me just give the menu btn mobile element. When I fire a add event listener, when I was click and this variable, this function will be work. Let me here I want to give one more here I create a one variable menu btn mobile element open boolean. I give the long form variable because I want to remember in the future also, that's why. And here I want to give the this will be by default false, because we do by default we don't want to display the menu. If this will be true, then also automatically display. And here I create one more, or inside the I give the if this mobile btn will be false, then this will be when I was click, then this will be automatically turn in the form of a, when here I give the false and this is a not sign, and this false and this not will be converted in the form of a true. And then again I want to display the this container where is in the bottom section. Here this container I want to display, this menu will be I want to display. Here I want to give the id mobile menu nav, and just copy this and come in the script file. Here I want to add let, and this will be the mobile menu nav document dot get element by id. After that I want to create paste this mobile nav new menu nav this id name, and here I want to toggle this menu. By default I want to this menu will be not to be display. I can here in the here you can see, first of all, by default this one will display, but I don't want to display this. For that, here come, let me just go on the top section, this mobile menu container. Here I want to give the here only I want to here by default giving the display block. Here I want to give the display none. Now you can see this menu gone. When I want to click this menu, then this will be display. For that I want to here I want to give the style dot display, and this will be display block. Let me just show you. Okay, I was mistake, some spelling. Okay, now let me just show. Refresh this page. When I was click this menu, see this will be display, but when I was again click now, then this will be not to be display. We can do one thing here. Here I can change something. This will be when true, when this menu this will be true, then this will be display, otherwise not display. By default I give that this will be true. Okay, false also okay, and this will be when false, this menu will be not to be display, otherwise it will want to display. Let me just copy this again. I put this in the else block. Now here I want to change this just block, but I want to also change this value. When I was come here, when I was click, first of all this will be the in the form of a false. Here just copy this and come here again. Here I want to change this value. Before will be false again, now it will become true, then it will be run this loop. After that this loop will be run again. I want to change this. Now this loop will be run and this will be true, then this will be done, and again I want to give that this value will be in the form of a false. Now let me just see you. Refresh the page, and when I was click, this will be display. When I again click, okay, this will be not to be display. Let me just give this, and here I want to assign false, and here I want to assign true. Now let me just refresh this page, click, okay, now see this will toggle will be working. When I was click, this will be display. When I again click, this will be gone, like this. Now working. When I was again click here, this btn, this cross mark, this menu also not to be display. For that I want to access this close menu and come in the index.html file. Let me just where is close btn. Okay, here, and this will be btn. Here I want to give the id close, okay, prefix mobile menu close, and here I want to, or we can give the not a menu, we can give the nav, and just copy this id name, come in your javascript file here, and here I want to add one more. Here I want to give the menu, or we can let mobile nav close element. After that document dot get element by id, and here inside that paste the id name, this one, this close menu btn icon one, and here you can fire a one method, mobile menu mobile nav close element, and here I was write a mobile btn menu btn mobile element. Don't be confused. Here I want to fire add event listener. After that click, and here fire a another callback function inside the event loop. When I was click this close icon, let me just refresh, and when I was click here this menu, this icon, this whole things we don't not to be display. For that just copy this again, this one, and come here, paste here. Now you can see, refresh this page. When I was click here, see this menu will be display. When I was click this icon, this will be gone, see. But here one problem is coming. When I was click here, and here this close menu will again, then again I want to click, this will be not to be, I want to click two times because of a this boolean value. We can do one thing, just copy this whole things and come here and again paste. Now you can see this boolean value is also changed. Now let me just refresh this page. When I was hit the menu, then this will be display. When I was click this close menu, then this will be display. When I was again click this will be display. Now in this video we have completed this menu. In the upcoming video we go on the next section, like all this reference tutorial reference and exercise. Thank you for the watching this video. If you find any this video helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe the channel, and thank you for the watching.